Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. What's good with YouTube? It's your boy True Cam. I know y'all boy read by title and thumbnail. So this is how you deal with the girl that takes you back late. And alright, my bad. This is how you deal with the girl that takes you back late. And wait too long to text, wait too long to respond, leave you undelivered. A girl who probably showed she had interest at first, but it kind of faded away. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all what to do to those type of girls. This video, we gonna make them regret it. You know what I'm saying? We gonna make people regret how they treat you right now. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make them regret this. So look, this is how y'all do that. First off, y'all gotta acknowledge it first. Acknowledge it. Think about the stuff that they say and use it. And, bro, when y'all get this mindset that I'm trying to teach y'all, bro, it's gonna be amazing. You're gonna be able to see through everything. I got the showing gun. I'm telling y'all, I see through all of it. So look, bro, if a girl is taking too long to text you back, way too long to text you back, and she kind of moving kind of weird, sometimes she's showing high interest, sometimes she's not showing no interest, sometimes, you know what I'm saying, she even posted without text you back. Sometimes she texts you back like she in love. Sometimes she act like she want to be your your girlfriend. And sometimes, you know what I'm saying, she act like she don't want nothing to do with you. Let me break that down to y'all, bro. A lot of women want the validation. When they feel like y'all leaving, look, let me explain the interest change, right? Let me explain that. So when it feel like you going down where you don't really like her that much, she will go up. And she'll validate you until you got up here, then she'll like, all right, I'm straight. Right? And then when you like yours finna go down, y'all get what I'm saying? Chat, look. Women like the validation. They like the attention. Love it. Love the validation and attention. First off the meat rack, women always have their phone, bro. Women always have their phone. You know that. 24/7. It's never not by them. If it's not by them, where my phone? You see my phone? Call my phone. Dang, it's in the bathroom. But look, so yeah, that was funny. Look, you like that, don't it? You like that, but you ain't like the video yet. That's crazy. But look, let's finish it. So, what y'all gotta do is, bro, really what y'all gotta do is just, bro, put women on ice. Cause what they would do, bro, they want their attention so bad to a point where they will get a lot of it from you, where it seems like you really, really like them. Then they'll be like, nah, I'm gonna slack off him. They taking somebody else trying to get that, and them to validate her. And then when it seems like you not, she checking the phone, you not texting, she like, dang, he ain't talking to me all day. Let me go make sure he ain't running away, or he's still attached to me. So she'll start texting you. Act like she got high interest. Act like she like you a lot. Like, I ain't talked to you all day. I miss you. Just making you feel super good. Just boosting you back up. And guess what she gonna do? Fall back down again. Go talk to them other dudes. You just gotta make sure you stay on that string. You gotta break that string. How you break that string, bro? When she come back, just don't talk to her. You can text a little bit, but then just stop talking to her. She gonna do either one or two things, bro. Either she gonna be like, oh, okay, I can't do that. I gotta stop playing with him because I do like him. She gonna stop playing with you and start talking to you a lot. Or she just gonna be like, okay, I guess he gone then. And you gonna learn how to take your L, right? Because you one of my supporters. You subscribe, right? And you know we take our L's over here. You know what I'm saying? Because the L gonna turn to a W soon. You gotta take your L's to learn how to win. But look, but yeah, all this Discord. Hold on, let me mute that. Hold on one second, chat. I ain't muted. All right. Discord link in the bio too if y'all want to know. But what I was saying, I lost my train of thought. Stay with me. All right, look. So look, this is the way y'all can make them regret it by building yourself. Let's start with the social media, bro. Because every social media is looked at as some type of dating thing, bro. Y'all get what I'm saying? Bro, you look at social media, bro. If you with a girl, bro, women already off the meat rack, they already have other options just by being pretty. They don't have to do nothing. Man, we got to kind of create our value. You know what I'm saying? We can look good too, but what is looking good, bro? You know what I'm saying? I've been looking the same. You know what I'm saying? We look the same, chat. I've been looking the same in school. You think I'm finna go back to middle school and like, I said go back to middle school, but see somebody from my middle school, they ain't gonna know who I am. Why do they know who I am? Because I look the same. You know what I'm saying? I probably grew my hair a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I probably grew a little hair on my face. But I look the same. Right? So what changed? The value of me, the social status, social proof. I got getting followers and things of that nature. That's the only thing that changed. You know, you getting a little money and things like that. I'm broke though, chat, but you know, getting a little money and stuff. you know, all that changes things, right? That boosts your value. Now a lot of more women want you, right? You start hitting the gym, bro. Basically get better than the other options. I tell y'all that all the time. Become better than the other options. Become better than the competitors. I mean, competitors, I know I tell y'all to not compete. We not really competing, but we got to be, basically, bro, basically this is how it is, bro. We not competing as far as I got to be better than him. I got to put him down. No. You just be better for yourself, and other women going to see that you better, and they going to come to you. So don't when I say like be a competitor and be better than them, what I mean by that is to her, you going to be better than them. Not to you. I don't think I'm better than nobody. You know what I'm saying? I think I could be the best options because my value. But as far as me and you, I'm not no different. I'm just a dude behind the camera, just making a video, just talking. When you watch my video, bro, by you watching me, you gonna know so much. Soon you're gonna be able to start your own channel and say the same stuff I'm saying and teach the younger people. What's the difference between me and you? Nothing. But I'm saying to a girl, I would be better than you because of social status and all this stuff. I don't know the game rigged. Don't be mad at me. I know it's rigged. For the short people, you got a harder time. The short people, they got a hard time. It's harder for you. I'm not short. I'm tall. I'm 6 foot. But I know for a fact the short people, it's hard for them. Every girl say, I want to do, he got to be taller than me. How tall you is? They made jokes about it. So they said men need to start putting their height in the bio. I'm like, bro, they can't control it. Well, nobody can control their height, bro. How y'all going? But what they tell y'all, oh, it don't matter about no money, followers or nothing. It's just personality. What the memes say they be blowing up. My man got to have a bag. Y'all see what I'm saying? So look, social status, build your social status, bro. First of all, the first thing you're gonna do when you get up out this video, once we finish, right? Once I'm finished talking to y'all, build your Instagram account up. Go change up your Instagram account. Right? Go take them anime pictures down. Change it up. You know what I'm saying? Start trying to take some more pictures. You know, start trying to build some type of income, trying to get some more money. You know, if y'all need help with that right there, y'all DM me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Instagram link in the bio. Well, y'all saw it popped up on the side. But, you know, it's about time to wash my hair. Should I do a tutorial? I might throw a tutorial in there. But yeah, y'all start building y'all stuff up and becoming better. When y'all becoming better, every girl is gonna regret it. They gonna come back. I'm telling y'all, bro. I won't lie to y'all. For the new people here, for the people who subscribe to me, y'all know my body, bro. The new people here, I won't lie. If I had to lie, I wouldn't even make the video. There's plenty of other videos I could have made. If I was finna get in this video and lie, I just wouldn't make it. It's that simple. Just don't make the video. Like somebody asked me on my live stream, can you make a video about ways to get a lot of money? No, I don't know a lot of ways to get money. I know how I'm getting money, but I don't know like NFTs. I don't know how to do all that stuff. I'm not making that video. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, I'm gonna put 2 videos on the screen. With both of these videos, what YouTube think y'all need to watch next. They were YouTube recommended for y'all. I guess they saying y'all ain't got no game, but it's crazy if you don't like the video and this video almost over. That would be insane. Not gonna lie. But I'll see y'all niggas in the next video. Can you like the video real quick? I'm gonna give you 2 seconds. Appreciate it, my dog. That's why I fuck with you.